Alright, so I guess I'm back doing this YouTube thing. As I said, I really lost the interest of doing YouTube, but it's starting to come back to me a bit, I guess. And currently, for my final school project before becoming a fully fledged software developer, I'm going to develop this VR game about trying to save the environment by picking up trash on the beach. Just a small time demo. So I've just done a small bit of interactable objects, stuff like that. I guess this will be kind of a devlog, just to show whoever's interested and myself what I've learned. I'm using the Unity's own VR learning path. It's pretty recent and I can really recommend it if you want to learn VR yourself. But if I think the tutorials are missing something, I'll try to make a video about that. Actually, I got a video that comes out right after this one, which will tell you how to add different sounds depending on which object you pick up. So as you can see, I have one sound for that, another for that. Just to make a distinctive example, this will play a long line of music, so I won't pick up that one right now. It'll interfere too much with my voice, but yeah, I've added a few things like a TV, which shows a goal from a football game. I've added this, which plays music. The music is actually copyrighted, so I won't play that. So yeah, welcome back. I hope you'll follow along, and I'll see you.